Richard Z. Delaney, calling to the past. With questions about life, I need some answers fast. This is a message from 2334. We have friends in other galaxies, but what are we looking for? I built a communicator, we just call the QCC. So I'm sending out a message, but is anybody hearing me?
Urgent message from 2334 to 2024. From Richard Z. Delaney III. Dear denizens of 2024, greetings from 2334. I'm Richard Z. Delaney III, reaching out through the Quantum Quirk Communicator, the QQC, a contraption that twists the quantum fabric to bridge our times. In my era, such technology is as mundane as your smartphones once were to you. Yes, we've peeked into your digital archives. As a citizen of the 24th century, where everyday life straddles what you deem science fiction, I find myself utterly fascinated by your primitive yet pivotal era. Here are some earnest inquiries, paired with snippets of how life looks in my time. Physical currency. Are you really still using coins and paper for transactions? Here in 2334, currency is purely digital, embedded in our identity through quantum encryption. Physical money is a relic we see only in museums next to ancient pottery. Holographic dragons. There's a spirited debate here about the origins of holographic pet dragons. Some credit Joshua Fiskerson in 2035 as the pioneer, but rumors persist that these magnificent creatures were available much earlier. Can you shed light on this historical conundrum? Flat Earth belief. Just for kicks, do any of you still believe the Earth is flat? We've long since established colonies on spherical celestial bodies across the galaxy. I have seen more than one argument among our scholars as to when it was discovered that the Earth wasn't flat. Some say it wasn't until 2030. Most of us agree that it happened far earlier than that. Cats versus holographic dragons. Is it true that in your time only cats are domesticated as pets? In 2334, while cats are still adored, they share the spotlight with holographic dragons, which are a favorite in most families. Movie streaming. I'm intrigued. What was movie streaming? Here in 2334, we are still entertained by movies. We use neural chips that let us live through any movie in what feels like hours, though it only takes a few seconds of real time. It's an entire cinematic experience in the blink of an eye. Do people in 2024 really get to choose what movies they see? We utilize AI-driven personal entertainment planners that predict our mood swings and queue up content accordingly. Decision fatigue over entertainment is a thing of your past. During the Great Blackout of 2214, all data was lost relating to nutritional habits of the past. An archaeologist recently discovered a device that had an image on it of a person taking boxes off of shelves. No one in my time can determine what this means. Reflections on your future. Climate solutions, electric vehicles. They're museum pieces here. We've moved on to teleportation and zero-footprint living habitats. Space exploration. Mars is now fully populated. We're terraforming Titan now, and we found the remains of a giant statue named Elon. AI integration. AI doesn't just handle chores, it curates our lives. From cooking personalized gourmet meals to managing interdimensional travel schedules, AI is your best pal and assistant rolled into one. A tip from the future: brush up on your intergalactic etiquette. In 2334, Earth is part of a bustling network of inhabited planets. The social faux pas is not knowing how to greet a Zorblat from Zephyrian. Eagerly awaiting your thoughts and reactions, and any questions about life in 2334. Remember, your present is our history, and every step you take shapes the cosmos we inhabit today. Temporal regards, Richard Z. Delaney III, inventor of the Quantum Quirk Communicator and part-time galactic historian.
I'm Richard Z. Delaney, sending out this call with questions about life. Is anybody there at all? Communicator, we just call the QCC. So I'm sending out a message, but is anybody hearing me? Hearing me? Hearing me?
This has been a Modern Office Girl production.